As a company, Sleep Corp looked at the next 10 years and saw it as a huge journey forward in how we can maintain and I guess uphold our standards of quality. We manufacture here in Australia, and we knew that if we wanted to remain competitive and continue to do that here in Australia, we needed to automate. They helped us map it, they helped us make sure that it was clean, and then also just checked in for the following few weeks to make sure that it was giving us the results we needed. He basically cleans the floor every day. It's one of my favorite things to do when I come down into the facility. There's a particularly long strip of floor that you can see from basically one side to the other. One of my favorite things to do is look down that and see if that's shiny. We've seen exceptional value across all areas of the business. There's one thing that I believe in with automation. It's that any automation you make and bring up the standard and quality of your facility, people around see that happening. They get a greater investment in the cleanliness and standards of the business. So as a cultural level, there's been a real increase in the care that our staff have for the equipment and the space around them. Additionally, the machines themselves have a greater life, essentially because there's less cotton dust flying underneath them and getting picked up by little fans and motors that are running, and we can make sure that the equipment lasts longer as well. ROI was a really important part of the decision-making process for us, but it was ROI not just in, direct comparative terms. There's a longer-term, bigger picture return in terms of the facility standard and the facility cleanliness. Floor stays clean, and I really don't do that much about it. If I'm hearing nothing, that to me is a really good sign, and the results kind of speak for themselves. I definitely think Neo is the way of the future. Anything that can help us bridge a really silly gap with something that does its job time and time again without oversight and without too much maintenance is always going to save time and see value.